Hello, everyone. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful and amazing day. I hope all is well with each and every one of you all. Thank y'all so much for joining me, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. All right, y'all. So, in today's Crafty Vision segment, we're going to do just a little bit of, I'm going to say weaving. I'm going to call this technique that I'm doing weaving. And here are the items that you're going to need. You're going to need 2 fish hooks. Okay. You're going to need 2 loopers. Now, these are the loopers that I purchased from Michael's. This is what they come. This is what they look like. Okay. So you're going to need 2 of those. The color I'm using is green. You don't necessarily have to use green. You can use whatever color you prefer. Okay. I am also using some of these wooden beads right here. These I purchased from Joann Fabrics, okay? And I'm using 30 of the 8mm ones, so that's 15 a piece per earring. And then you're gonna need 2 of these 12mm ones, 1 per earring, okay? You're going to need a piece of aluminum wire, 2 pieces of aluminum wire, both pieces 10.5 inches long. You're going to need your flat nose pliers, your round nose pliers, and your wire cutters. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. So the very first thing we're going to do is I have to show y'all how to do this technique. Now, you're going to take your wire and your loopy or looper, and you're going to place it just like this. Now, the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to be working pretty much up at the top of my wire. So you put your looper on, and then you're going to turn it just like this, just like that. That's what you're going to do. Put it on and turn it. When you turn it, you're going to go through. Okay? You're going to turn it again, go through. Okay? Turn it, go through. Turn it. So now you have done that about 2 or 3 times. All right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding on my beads. So let's do this over so we will know exactly how we're going to do this. You're going to put it through like this, and you're going to turn it. So you're going to go put it on like this, and you're going to automatically flip it like that. You're going to go through and flip it. Through and flip it. Through and flip it. Through and flip it, just like this. And the next thing you know, it should be this right here. So, and you want to do that approximately about 3 times, 3 to 4 times. That's how many times I've done that. All right. Now, your piece is going to be like this. It should be like this. I'm going to add on the bead. Okay. Add on my first bead. And I'm going to bring it down. It's already twisted. All right. I'm going to twist it and go through. All right. And twist it. All right, wait a minute. Let me show you again. Let me show you again. I put my bead on. I take my hands and I twist it. And then I take this part and go in like that and twist it again. Okay? Now when I twist it, I'm going to add on another bead. Amen. There you go. Just like that. All right? So now it looks like this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to twist it, go in, all right, and add on another bead. But this time I'm going to go with the brown. It's going to look like this. You twist it, you go in, do that. Then you add on another bead. Okay, it's going to look like this. You twist it, you go in. See what I'm doing? Just like that. And you're going to add on another bead. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. So 2 light brown, 3 dark brown, and then we're going to go ahead and add on the white bead. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to this, twist it, go in, and just like that. And then I'm going to add on a white bead. Okay, it's going to be like this. You twist it, you go in, just like that. Okay, add on another white bead, go in, it's like this. You twist it, you go in, and then you add on your other bead, just like that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this, start moving this down just a tad bit. All right, so this is where I'm at now. This is what it's starting to look like. I'm gonna come here, twist it, take it in, just like that. Now this time, I'm going to go with the brown beads. So I'm gonna add a brown bead on, okay? Doing it the same way I've been doing it. Twist it, go in, like that. Add on my bead. Twist it, go in, like that. Push it down a little bit. Wait a minute. Now, you may have to watch me do this a few times. Got this here, the brown one. Go here, twist it, go in, just like that. Now I need to start moving this down some because I'm all the way at the top. So I'm gonna move it down. Just bear with me, y'all, while I do this part. As a matter of fact. So this is pretty much what you're gonna have. Okay, this is what it should look like. Now I'm gonna add on 2 of the brown ones. So I'm gonna put one here. It's gonna look like this. I'm gonna twist it, take it in, and do like that. Add on one more of these, add it. It's gonna be like this. Twist it, go in, and do like that, okay? Do like that. Now, I am pretty much at the end of what I'm doing. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take and twist, go in, and twist, go in, twist, go in, twist, and let me see if I can push it down, push it up. And you want to do it, try to do it as many times as it will allow you to. Okay, you see what I'm doing now? And I want to try to do it one more time, but I don't know if we can. I'm going to have to push it up towards the other way in order to try to see if I can do this. All right, one more little piece. All right, so now that, like that. All right, so this is pretty much what it's going to look like. We have it on. Now we're going to bring it down. Try to bring it down in the middle as much as you can. Just like this. Just work with it. Don't worry about it bending or none of that. Okay, we're going to continue to work it down. Just keep bringing it down like this and working with it. You want to have enough to do what you need to do on both ends. All right, Okay, it's all gonna come together. All right, now let me see. I think we got it on both ends. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring it like this. Okay, see? You're gonna bring it like that. And that's pretty much what you're gonna have. And then you're gonna take these two that's left over. You're gonna put one right there. And then you're gonna put one over here on this side. Okay? Now you're gonna bring these two together like that. All right? So you're gonna bring them together. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna wrap it, start wrapping it. You wanna wrap one piece around this piece, and then you're gonna wrap it about 4 times. So that's 1, this is 2, that's 3, and that's 4. So 4 times, okay? Wrap it around. This is our design. And then you're going to take and snip off that right there. You're going to take and add this on, okay? And then once you get that on, you're going to just pinch this over a tad bit and snip it. And then you're going to take your round nose pliers and you're just going to come here and make your loop. All right, and you're going to tuck it just like that. Straighten everything up. And then the last thing you need to do is add on your fish hook, and you will have yourself a really gorgeous pair of earrings. So you have that, and you have that. And you can do these in a variety of different colors. Now, this look, according to this look like, wait a minute, let me see. These two are the same color, but one of them look like it's, I don't know, one of them look like a turquoise, I don't know. But they the same color, y'all, but I don't know why it's coming up like that. Anyway, so this is the end result, all right? And like I said, you can do this in multiple colors. You got your lupus here. You can do it in any color that you want, all right? This is really, really quick, really, really fast. It is stylish, and it reminds me pretty much of like, I'm gonna say like a spring, all right? So, y'all, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like. Please don't forget to thumbs up. And please do not forget to share my content out, because what? Sharing is caring. Thank y'all so very much for joining me for these videos. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.